Yeah, just changing the oil for the first time in my 1995 Man. Just locate the sump plug and loosen it up. I needed a crowbar to loosen it, but it's alright. Now, because it's about 35 litres of oil, I'm just using a small bucket and then relocating it, because otherwise it'll just be too heavy for me to use. So hold on to the plug and just let it drain out a little bit at a time, like so. Use a glove so it doesn't matter if you get a little bit dirty. That's about it. Try and put that back in so I can stop, and then I'll just tip that into a bigger bucket. So basically that's it. Just drain it, change the washer on the end, plug it back in, use the crowbar to tighten it again, and then fill your oil up and check your dipstick so you've got enough oil. Anybody can do that.